If you're looking for an effortless way to add a cozy, high-end feel to your home, you need to see this. This is a gorgeous eucalyptus garland. It is beautiful, and it's an addition to your home styling. Right away, you can see how full and lush it looks. It combines realistic eucalyptus leaves with a delicate white blossoms, creating a warm, elevator vibe for any room. One of the best qualities of this product is how practical it is. It arrives compactly packaged, but it is incredibly flexible and easy to handle. You just slide it out of the bag, give it a quick unroll, and it stretches beautifully across a long dining table, a fireplace, mantel, or a console. There's no complicated assembly. It gives you instant decor in under a minute. Now, a really nice feature is that it comes with a separate strand of delicate fairy lights in the package. It's completely optional to add them, so you can keep the look strictly green or wrap the lights through it like I did here for an extra glow. The lights run on a lightweight battery pack requiring just two AA batteries, meaning you don't have to worry about hiding ugly extension cords or finding a nearby wall outlet. And another thing to keep in mind is that the batteries are not included, so you just have to provide them yourself. The value here is really in its versatility. The main vine is completely pliable, meaning that you can shape it, curve it around centerpieces, or lay it perfectly flat. The battery pack is small enough to tuck it completely out of sight beneath the leaves, whether you're hosting a dinner party, decorating for the holidays, or just updating your everyday mental style. This one piece does it all. This is a purchase you'll enjoy year round because it brings that warm, airy, natural aesthetic into your home without any of the maintenance of real plants. It looks elegant, feels durable, and creates an instant mood. You can set the lights to stay on steadily for a clean classic look or switch them to a flashing pattern if you want something a bit more festive or dynamic. That is up to you. So you can control everything from where you can put the batteries, and that way you will give a different look to your lights depending on what you're looking for. And again, this is just an optional part of it. If you don't want to have the lights, you can just remove them. But it is just that versatile that you can do several different things with the same product, which I find it amazing to use year round.